Hello kids, love you. Today we will draw a rainbow. So let's get started. First we will draw a cloud. Then another cloud.
Tock, tick, tock.
Then some curved line between the two clouds. We have to draw total 8 curved lines so that we can feel all the 7 colors of the rainbow. So it's complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's color. Violet color, indigo color,
Tock, tick, tock.
blue color,
The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
green color,
Tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
yellow color, orange color,
Dickory dock. The bee buzzed round the clock.
and finally red color.
Dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
Now let's color the cloud.
Dickory dock. The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6.
If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful videos. Bye.